You're watching All Things Antonia.
Hi guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. My name is Antonia, and in today's video I am going to be bringing you another Dollar Tree haul. I had to go to the Dollar Tree to pick up a few things over the weekend, and so I thought before I tear into them and start using them that I would film a Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I haven't filmed one in quite a while, so hopefully in today's video you'll find some things that maybe you didn't realize you could get for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into that. But first, if you're new here, go ahead, click the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And for all of my returning subscribers, thank you so much for continuing to support my channel. I appreciate you so much. And with that being said, let's just go ahead and get into this Dollar Tree haul. So I'm gonna start with this first bag right here. I did pick up some Halloween candy at the Dollar Tree, and they actually have a pretty good selection to choose from. I was quite surprised. So we're having a Halloween party at work, and so we all have to bring in a bag of candy for that. So I picked up a pack of the Now and Laters, and this is the sour mystery flavors. And it says that there is 40 pieces in here. So they're all individually wrapped pieces, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. The next pack that I picked up is the Warheads, and there are 35 pieces in here. It's a limited edition mix. Looks like that. So you get the sour bubblegum pops, the extreme sour hard candy, and the colossal sours. So I thought this would be an interesting bag to carry to work. And then for my own personal candy jar that I have on my desk at work, I just picked up some of the stuffed Reese's Pieces peanut butter cups. So it's the Reese's peanut butter cups, but it's stuffed with the Reese's Pieces candy. And there are 5 in here. And then I picked up a pack of the Reese's peanut butter cups, but have white chocolate. Those look delicious to me, and that's all the Halloween candy that I picked up. Okay, so in my next bag I have a few personal items. So I picked up some more face masks. These are the Yes To brand face masks. This one is Yes To Tomatoes. And this is a DIY powder to clay mask. It's impurity fighting with tomato extract and kaolin clay to help balance and clear the skin. Formulated without parabens, SLS, and silicones. I also picked up another of the Yes To Tomatoes detoxifying charcoal mask. This is another powder to clay mask. And then I picked up the Yes To Cucumbers, and this is a soothing sleep mask. So the Yes To Cucumber extract calming and soothing skin while you catch some Z's, formulated without parabens, SLS, and silicones. It says that cucumber is a soothing vegetable extract that will keep your skin as cool as the other side of the pillow. It says it's a sleeping mask. I've never slept in a mask before, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work, but I am excited to try it out and see. The next thing I picked up, I saw Crafty Girl here on YouTube. She hauled some of these recently, and they are socks. Now these are men's crew socks, but I'm not sure if you can tell, they're like a green color, like a heather green with like black and maybe a little bit of gray in there. But I thought these were very fall. I think these would make cute like boot socks. So I picked it up in this green color. I picked it up in this brown color. And then I picked up a pair in this orange color. And I just thought these were super cute fall colors. And they would be cute with like sweaters and things like that. So they are men's crew socks, but I think they would make great boot socks as well. Let's see, last thing in this bag, I picked up some Airborne. This is the immune support supplement, and it's crafted blend with vitamin C and 6 vitamins and minerals, clinically proven to support your immune system. So there's 2 powder packets in here, and I picked these up because, you know, it's just that time of year. People are getting sick, and you know, I just don't have time for that. I have too much going on, and I just don't have time to be sick. So I thought I would give these a try. So yeah. Okay, so in my last and final bag for this Dollar Tree haul, I just picked up some household items. I love to get household items at Dollar Tree, certain ones in particular, so there's that. But on today's trip, I did see something that I had never seen at Dollar Tree before, and it's called a drain rooter, and it even says here that it's new. So but what it is like, here's your little handle here. It's kind of like a little snake type thing that goes in your drain to get like hair clogs, or I guess anything that clogs your drain. But when I wash my hair, it does tend to clog the drain. I try to catch all the shed hair so it doesn't go down the drain, but you know, it happens. So I saw this, and I don't know if you can see from the diagram here, but you just stick this down in the drain, and it should kind of snake along the drain, and when you pull it out, it pulls out whatever is clogging your drain. So I'm gonna test this out and see how well it works next time I have a clogged drain. So the next thing I picked up, I was very surprised to find at my Dollar Tree. I've seen other people haul these from Dollar Tree, but my store just never had them. But it is the Angel Soft toilet paper, and I was so happy to find this. You get 4 rolls for $1. They are the regular size rolls, but it does say that there are 60% more sheets per roll in this pack. So there's that. I love to pick up my sandwich bags from the Dollar Tree. So I always take my lunch to work, just trying to save money, not eat out as much. It's healthier that way. So yeah, so I picked up a pack of the Glad. These are the snack bags. So I do like to portion out a snack or some granola for my yogurt, or some fruit or something like that in these little snack bags. There's 22 in here, and this is the Glad brand. I did also pick up some of the zipper seal sandwich bags as well, and there are 50 bags in here. And I picked up some of the zipper seal gallon-sized bags as well that are good for like the freezer, or just for bigger items that you need to store. I grabbed this over-the-door hanger. I thought that, what I'm thinking is that I can hang this on the back of my laundry room door, and I can hang my ironing board right here. I'm gonna see if that works. I don't know, but this is a metal hanger, so it's definitely sturdy enough to hold it. I just don't know that it's necessarily gonna fit through here, but I'm gonna test it out and see. I was trying to be creative, and we'll see how that works out. And the last few items that I have in this bag here are going to be some cleaning products. So I have a Swiffer sweeper that I like to use on my floors, and I pick up these wet sweeper cloth refills from the Dollar Tree. There are 10 in here, and they fit my Swiffer sweeper perfectly. So yeah, and then I also picked up a pack of the dry cloths as well. So sometimes you just need to kind of dust the floor, not necessarily add any type of cleaning product to it. But yes, I picked up a pack of the dry ones, and then I picked up a pack of these 360-degree scrub buddies. Now this is a duster, So I have been using these for quite a while, and I always go back to repurchase them from the Dollar Tree. I feel like they do very good for dusting like the tops of your furniture, like your dresser, nightstand, TV stands, coffee tables, and things like that. So it does a very good job of picking up the dust, and it's quite impressive. So it's 3 pieces. You get the handle right here, and then you get, I think, 3 extra cloths, the dusting cloths inside, and they work very well. Like I said, I have been purchasing these and using these for quite a while from the Dollar Tree. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. That's all the items that I have for today's Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you found some items that you found helpful, and some things that you want to go out to the Dollar Tree to purchase yourselves. I absolutely love bringing you these Dollar Tree hauls just to let you know what's available out there for $1. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment below, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.